This should be easy with a science quiz.
10 out of 10. Question 5 is where the real test begins. Which planet is known as the red planet?
That'd be C, Mars. Red planet, always known as the red planet.
Answer C, Mars. Hold the comment button and select one emoji and comment below. How many bones are in the adult human body?
That'd be A, 206.
Answer A, 206. In what unit is electric power measured?
A, watt.
Answer A, watt. Like the video, if you answer first 3 correct. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere?
That'd be A, nitrogen. Nitrogen's pretty abundant up there.
Answer A, nitrogen. What type of blood cells are responsible for fighting infections?
That'd be C, white blood cells, because if you've got low white blood count, you can't
Answer
fight off
C,
infection.
white blood cells. What is the largest planet in our solar system?
That'd be B, Jupiter, followed by Saturn, so it's Jupiter. B.
Answer B, Jupiter. Before we continue, your phone is probably being spied on. To
sure
find
it
out,
is.
click the arrow at the very bottom right, then swipe right and select the More option. If there is a blue radar app, delete it right away. What is the largest organ of the human body?
That'd be A, skin.
Answer A, skin. What element has the atomic number 1?
B, 2. Hydrogen.
Answer B, hydrogen. What is the name given to the study of fungi?
So that'd be B, mycology, because A is botany, and C is
Answer
animals.
B, mycology.
Mycology.
Get ready for your last question.
Easy.
Follow me to improve your knowledge and comment on your score below. Who proposed the theory of evolution by natural selection?
That'd be B, Charles Darwin.
Answer B, H2O.